Hello world. So I just recently decided to make a contest, like a game jam. So the rules are simple. You have to remix this project. Here is the URL, and I will be giving the link in the description. So please do not remix other projects. So you don't have to remix other projects, and like that you have to remix this project. And the way this works is I will pick my choices, and there will be categories like original projects, demix, and remix. So what I mean by my choices is basically top 10 in each category. In each category, for example demix, there are different genres, right, like animation, endless, like that. So what you have to do is just follow the rules, which is right here. So the way this works is simple. If you're making a game, then like you have to take the assets from a real game is Steam game or any other real game which is outside of Scratch, and you have to get those assets or draw your own assets which has to be similar to the real game. So basically if you choose Metroidvania, then you have to take assets from Hollow Knight, Ori and the Blind Forest, etc. It's your choice. And because it's demix, you have, if you choose a game, for example Hollow Knight, then you have to take the entire assets, not the entire assets. Like for example, you might only do False Knight, so you only need those assets, not like entirety of Green Path, entirety of City of Tears, like that. So keep that in mind. And yeah, it's up to you which game you want to demake or remake. Demake and remix are similar, but demix is usually low graphics and you have to make everything from scratch. And original projects, basically you can take any assets from the genre of your game. For example, as I mentioned, like if you choose Metroidvania, then you have to take assets from Metroid, Castlevania, Hollow Knight, Ori and the Blind Forest, so like that. So keep that in mind. And for each category there will be genres. I already said that, but I'm saying one more time. So this is how the scoring system works. Everything is same, but originality is how create the game is. What happened here? Okay, anyways, this is game. So for demix, the graphics is 25, which is max score. See in the brackets the max score. For gameplay, it's 25 is max. Everything is 25 max. Originality, how similar to the original game is. For remake games, it's the same. See, it's the same. But the thing is that you have to take those assets. Meanwhile, in demake, you just can make everything from scratch. Not this scratch, not the programming language. You can draw things. If you didn't get the assets, then just go for demake. That's probably the best choice. But original games, like you can take the player from Hollow Knight and have the world from Ori and the Blind Forest. That's how original games is. It's just how originality, it's just how creative the game you made it. So that's how it works. You have to remix this project. Do not remix other projects. And because I will be seeing like the remix tab here, why is it laggy? So there will be links for each category. There will be studios. See, for the originality category, it's this link, blah blah blah. So this is basically a scratch game jam. So what do you want to do? Join out.